Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Mailchimp affiliate, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for the Mailchimp affiliate program, begin by visiting the official Mailchimp website. Navigate to the bottom of the home page. Look for the affiliate program link. Click on it to learn more about the program's details and benefits. Next, find the Join Now or Sign Up button on the affiliate program page. Click on this button to begin your registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password for your account. Provide any additional required details such as your website or blog URL. Be sure to include a brief description of how you plan to promote Mailchimp. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the acknowledgement box. Once you have completed the form, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Click on the link in the email to activate your account. Log into your new affiliate account with your registered email and password. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available promotional materials. Once approved, you will gain access to your unique affiliate links. Begin sharing these links through your channels to start earning commissions. Monitor your progress and earnings through the affiliate dashboard regularly. Stay updated with any new promotional materials and tips provided by Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.